Are you wondering if you can use your mini jet fan to blow leaves away or maybe clean up your patio? So yeah, basically if you actually do not have large area, this can actually be used for that. So for example, let's see, I have a bunch of stuff basically over here, bunch of leaves. So let's turn it on, and as you see, it blows away everything absolutely perfect. So you see, yeah, so really no bother at all. And again, if you need something to blow away stuff from your patio, so again, this can obviously do that. So you see, all the particles, all the leaves like. So yeah, definitely it's capable for that. Obviously, if you have crazy amount of leaves and you need to cover large area, still you can maybe do it, but again, obviously it will take quite a long time and you probably need bigger unit. So you see, yeah, it can blow away everything. For example, here I can clean basically my patio here actually fairly well with this tool. Also, I would say when it comes to limitations, I would say make sure your leaves aren't actually wet. So if it has been raining recently, wait for them to dry. Otherwise, again, it's simply not powerful enough for that. But again, for dry leaves, this can actually do that. So you see, for example, it will blow away everything here. So you see, yeah, actually pretty cool indeed. By the way, when you are actually blowing leaves, for example, with this one, I actually suggest you to actually do not use any attachments, as obviously these like concentrate the basically the power in one smaller spot. But again, so use it simply without attachments. It will cover like larger area essentially for maybe cleaning your patio. And also I actually use this quite often in my workshop. So when I'm working basically with some wood, so to blow out like wood chips, so from my tools, also from my table, so you can actually quickly clear your table with this tool. So you see, yeah, it will blow away pretty much everything here. By the way, also, if you're looking to get this fan, in the description I'll include a special discount link so that you can follow and get it for absolutely insane price. So personally, I got mine from AliExpress and actually paid only around $10, and that also was with free shipping for this whole kit for this price. Really, I think it's totally unbeatable. Good luck.